Hello. Real quick, if you want to insert a Microsoft Forms into a OneNote document, um, what you do is you go to the form, the edit version of the form, you hit the share button, make sure it says anyone with a link can respond, copy that link, go to the page that you want to add it into, and paste that link in there. After it shows up, it'll show up there. Your students can see that. They hit the refresh button there. It should load, and they should be able to take the form within the page of OneNote. Now, the reason why I said you had to mark it as anyone with the form can answer, is that if you don't do that, at least in the past, when you click that refresh button on the form, it would pop open a new window into a browser. But if you set it as anyone with the link can respond, and you hit that refresh button, it'll actually open up within OneNote. Beauty of being able to take a form and put it into OneNote and embed it, is that in the event that you also have, say, an embedded video or a video that you want the kids to watch, or a document that's in there that you want them to read and then reflect on, you can simply do that. You can have them play the video in the page while they're taking a quiz or some sort of response to that video, or just in general something. One example was you could have students record their performance for a specific activity that's kind of a visual or audio feed. You could have them record themselves, import that into OneNote, and then have a fellow classmate kind of assess their performance using a form, and that'll allow you to work with the data and organize it and analyze it a bit easier. So hope that helps, and enjoy the rest of the day. Peace.